Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use elderberry syrup. Start by understanding that elderberry syrup is a popular natural remedy, often used to support immune health. It's important to know the correct dosages for both adults and children to ensure safe and effective use. We'll also cover the best times to incorporate it into your daily routine for maximum benefit. For adults, a common maintenance dose is 1 tablespoon per day. Children usually take 1 teaspoon daily, but always check product labels for specific age-based recommendations. If you're feeling under the weather, you can increase your intake to 2 or 3 times a day. Remember to be consistent for the best results in supporting your immune system. Proper storage is key to maintaining your syrup's potency. Always refrigerate elderberry syrup after opening and discard it after 2 to 3 months, or if you notice any unusual smells or changes. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or have existing health conditions. To get the most out of elderberry syrup, pair it with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest. You might even consider making your own homemade syrup for a fresh, customizable option. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.